Hi guys, welcome back to a new playlist with a topic addressing, and let's talk about the maximum number of images per pin that you find in a lot of options for addressing.
Finale has 3 different methods for addressing a show. Each of these methods have different options to change the way the addressing is working so you can optimize the addressing for your needs. Let's start with an example to explain the option maximal matches per pin. As you can see, I have a fan here with 9 comets and all comets are shot at the same ignition time. When I am going to address the show, the first thing I must do is to specify the firing system. Let's use Cobra here and set the maximum matches per pin to 1. Now we will address the show. Let's have a look at the script window. We see that the pins on this rail or module are incremented because we set the limit for maximum matches per pin to 1, and this results in each effectively utilizing its own pin with no sharing. So that's the reason why they are incremented even if they all have the same ignition time. Let's do it again. And this time we change the maximum matches per pin to 9. Press enter button to address the show and see what happens. If you look at the script window again, you see that we only need 1 pin. Using more matches per pin helps us to save a lot of pins or channels on our modules because all effects on the same event time are wired in one serial line and are connected only to 1 pin. So this is a common way to save pins or channels on a module when the 2 conditions hold. 1. The effects are on the same position, and 2. The ignition times are the same.